Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 3. I think the wave A is likely over already also, the wave A of 4. We're probably now already in a wave B, and eventually we probably will go back down for a wave C to one of these two fib levels to finish off this wave 4 before we potentially go up for the wave 5. Just keep in mind that this is a weekly, monthly time frame correction, which should potentially last maybe 6 months or longer. Going down to the weekly, I think the wave A ends right here. I think this is likely now already a wave B. And then, like I said, I think eventually it's going to go down for a wave C. And like I said, this potentially could last a very long time. I mean, I think there's a very good chance it could put us all the way into spring of 2025. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we finally did get that breaker structure that I've been waiting for. We actually got it a few days ago. I think this is actually the end of a wave A here. This move up is the A of B. This to me looks more like 3 waves down, so I think it's a B of B. I think now we are likely going up for a wave C of wave B, which would be a correction to this whole move down. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got that nice break and hold above structure the other day, and ever since that point, I've been doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. Just like I spent several weeks doing nothing but looking for shorts, now I would expect to be doing at least several weeks minimum doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Ever since we broke structure right here, there's definitely been some pretty nice pullbacks. We had 1, 2, 3 waves down there. We had 1, 2, 3 waves down right there. Both beautiful, beautiful entries to go along. I have my Fibonacci extension on here looking for areas of resistance for hopefully the beginning of another pullback. When we do get a pullback, I will not be going short because the only thing I'm doing right now is looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. The trend is your friend. And if you continue to trade with the trend, I think you'll find that you're going to be way more consistently profitable. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.